post this on YouTube, it's gonna probably get a lot of likes and
I'm going to.
Yeah, we just walked all around the golf course.
Was it scary?
No.
I'll do it. Well, that's freaking
Really, you
scary.
can't see it any better than you can see it right here.
That doesn't seem that far away, though.
It's not really. I think it's only like 15, 20 miles. If it's Benville, Saugatuck,
Yeah.
Holland, you know, that area.
I'm gonna go stand over by Mom.